Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. And today we're going to take a look at these Pancake compressors. Now these are made by Portacable. I have three because I can use them at different job sites if they're all going on at the same time. They're really good units. They last a long time. They're compact. I love the handles. You can just pick them up and move them. They come with two quick connects on them, which makes it really nice and really quick when you're hooking up air type tools or even sprayers for that matter. They have, let me show you on this one, it's a little easier to probably see, but I do like the fact that it has the pressure gauge for the tank, and then you can set the pressure going to the gun. And you're going to set that with the knob right here. You're just going to turn it. Once you've got it running, it's up to speed, and it will actually move the actual needle. Now keep in mind, you may need to trigger your tool a couple of times so that it'll readjust once you start moving that needle. So don't just think you've got it right, go over and start working, and then you find out you don't have enough air because you have to trigger it a little and adjust, trigger and adjust. Comes with a nice cord to actually plug them in, and they have nice little spots on the top to store the cord, so it makes it really easy. So one thing to keep in mind, guys, is that you need to go ahead and evacuate the water out of these. These do not have a dryer on them like a big commercial air compressor would have. So you have to manually, like at least every couple of days, once a week at the most, you're going to want to get the water out of this tank. And you do that simply right here by turning this, and it will allow water to come out. Just make sure you have it turned on so the air pressure will push that water out. If you don't do that, you're going to get moisture inside of your air tools. And if you're painting, you'll mix that moisture in with your paint. So you want to make sure that you do that. But overall, guys, these are great units. That's why I have three of them. Do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today. I don't think you're going to regret it, and we'll see you guys on the next one.